Alright, so we're out here in the shop today. I got a couple of projects I'm working on. The one is a pin jig, and that's the original blueprint. This is the second blueprint, and that'll be my X and Y coordinates for the mill. Doesn't have to be too complicated. To show you the pin jig, it is, that thing's doing some work for me. This right here, the pin jig, will make a crate side, and the pins hold in the support braces. So slide it down. This is your nail gun jig. It's pretty simple, but this is the first one. The second one is sitting over here, and it will have nice brass hardware going in it. It'll be pretty classy. Now, as for the aluminum blocks for this, they're getting peeled out over here and roughed. And this is good roughing tool, 7,000 pound shaper, pre-1915. It's made here in Ohio, Queen City Shapers, and it's a square boxway. So that's pre-1915. I really couldn't get a good date on it, but that's my rougher. Thing roughs out parts, and on the mill, I've got the base for the little branding press getting slotted for mount holes, adjustable mount holes on it, and that's it. So the shaper shapes the parts, then those parts come over to the mill. It saves me on a lot of milling, so I don't have to do a lot of heavy milling on my milling machine. I just do finish work and holes, and it saves the mill.